Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My July Ipsy box came finally, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This is the inside of this month's box. I think something in here is something I added and I don't remember what it is, so that'll be a surprise. First product of the box is this Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. I've never tried Verb before, but this sounds really interesting. I like scalp exfoliators. Next up is this Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color in the shade Babe. I think this is the little add-on that I bought. I'm just obsessed with these kind of colors right now. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. Next up is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I'm really excited to try this. I have the cream. I still haven't tried it out yet and I just keep forgetting to. So now I'm going to try these out together. Next up I got the Seal It Makeup Setting Spray from Beaute. I'm excited to try this out. I'm halfway done with the Cab Cosmetics setting spray I got in my Ipsy a couple months ago. So I'm excited to try this and see how well it works. Next up is this Misho Beauty Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm in the shade Worthy. This is a really pretty light pink color. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely sheer. You can't really see anything. Actually, is that a little pink or are my eyes just playing games with me? I don't know. But this will be pretty over a lip liner. Next up, I got the Keys Soul Care Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer. This is a broad spectrum of SPF 30 sunscreen. I've never tried anything from Keys before. I just know it's Alicia Keys brand. I'm excited to try this out. Let me know if you've tried anything from this brand. And last is the Ciate Brazilian Glow Eyeshadow Palette. This is a stunning palette. It is huge. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. The shades are all right up my alley. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And that is it for my Ipsy. See, is this Ipsy or Boxycharm? I don't know, because the box said Ipsy and the past boxes have said Boxycharm, so I'm confused. But that's it for the month of July. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I really like this box. I think it's a really good box. I think I got a good mix of skincare, hair care, and makeup, which that's all three of my favorite things. And I'm excited to try out everything that I got. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting that red button down below for more videos. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!